Did you know that just 10 minutes of meditation a day can reduce stress levels by 30%? It's like giving your mind a mini vacation. Meditation has become a buzzword in our fast-paced lives, where stress and anxiety seem to be constant companions. But what if I told you there's a simple yet powerful tool that can help you find calm clarity amidst the chaos? Meditation is more than just a practice. It's a journey into the inner world where you can discover peace and tranquility. By committing just a few minutes a day to meditation, you can transform your mental state and overall well-being. The idea of quietly focusing on your breath and letting go of thoughts might seem straightforward, but its impact is profound. Regular meditation practice can improve your concentration, boost your mood, and even enhance your self-awareness. It's about creating a space for yourself where you can pause, reflect, and rejuvenate. Whether you're a busy professional, a student, or someone looking to improve their mental health, meditation offers a sanctuary from the stresses of everyday life. As we explore the world of meditation, let's start with its rich history. Meditation has its roots in ancient spiritual traditions dating back thousands of years. It was initially practiced by monks and sages seeking enlightenment and inner peace. Over time, meditation evolved and spread across the globe, influenced by various cultures and philosophies. Today, it's a popular practice in modern wellness culture, with millions of people worldwide incorporating it into their daily routines. From mindfulness meditation, which focuses on being present in the moment, to transcendental meditation, which uses mantras to quiet the mind, there are numerous techniques to explore. Guided meditation, another popular form, uses visualization or instruction to lead you into a meditative state. Each technique offers unique benefits from reducing anxiety and depression to improving sleep quality and emotional balance. Some people find solace in the quietude of meditation, while others appreciate the sense of community that comes with group practices. Be sure to click the subscribe, like, and notifications button for more videos like this one. One of the most significant advantages of meditation is its ability to reduce stress and promote relaxation. By calming the mind and soothing the body, meditation can help you navigate life's challenges with greater ease. It can also improve your emotional well-being, allowing you to respond to situations more mindfully rather than react impulsively. However, like any practice, meditation comes with its own set of challenges. Maintaining consistency can be tough, especially when you're just starting out. It's easy to get discouraged if your mind wanders or if you struggle to quiet your thoughts. Please don't worry. It's normal and natural for the mind to wander. It takes practice and patience for good, deep meditation. Despite these challenges, the benefits of meditation far outweigh the difficulties. With regular practice, you can develop greater self-awareness, improve your focus, and enhance your overall quality of life. So, how does meditation stack up against other relaxation techniques like yoga and breathing exercises? While these practices share some similarities with meditation, they each have their unique benefits and approaches. Yoga, for instance, combines physical postures with breathwork and meditation, offering a holistic approach to well-being. Breathing exercises, on the other hand, focus on conscious breathing patterns to calm the mind and the body. Personally, meditation has been a game changer for me. It's helped me navigate stressful periods and find a sense of calm in turbulent times. I've noticed that I'm more patient, more focused, and more at peace with myself and others. Meditation has also given me a deeper understanding of my thoughts and emotions, allowing me to respond to situations more thoughtfully. It's a practice that I wish I discovered earlier in life, but I'm grateful I have it now. Practicing regular meditation helps to dive deep into your subconscious mind where all beliefs and experiences are stored. The brain is an organ that needs to be exercised and have consistent oxygen flow for great health. If you're struggling with depression or anxiety, meditation is a great tool. Depression is living and being stuck in the past. Anxiety is the exact opposite, living and being stuck in the future. Meditation helps to bring us into the present moment and take us out of the past and future, which we have no control over. If you're seeking inner peace, meditation is an excellent place to start. It's a practice that can benefit anyone, regardless of their background or experience. Whether you're looking to reduce stress, improve your mental clarity, or simply feel more grounded, meditation offers a powerful tool for transformation. I encourage you to give it a try and see how it can positively impact your life. Your journey to inner peace starts with just a few minutes of meditation a day. Imagine being able to quiet your mind, reduce stress, and feel more connected to yourself and others. That's the power of meditation, and I invite you to experience it for yourself. Disclaimer: the information provided regarding health benefits is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult a healthcare professional before starting any new health regimen, treatment, or if you have any questions regarding a medical condition. Individual results may vary, and the effectiveness of health benefits can differ based on personal circumstances. The content is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. In a world that's always on the go, meditation offers a much-needed pause. It's a chance to slow down, reflect, and recharge. So take a deep breath, find a quiet spot, and let the journey begin. Your inner peace is waiting. Check out our next video I think you will love on more health and well-being. Thank you for watching.